So in case if you missed the previous video about why the knees are knocking in together to create this valgus pattern, I'm going to talk about few things that are related to it. The first most important one really is the foot, because we always want to start from ground up, right? So in this video, let's discuss how it happens that the foot keeps in like this. This is called foot pronation, and I'm actually dealing with this myself. So I'm excited to try it out and for you guys to see it. Nolan?
So a couple basic ways to fix this. We have a tripod in the foot. So, and when you have a good firm plant on the foot, there should be 3 points of contact: the big toe ball mound, the small toe ball mound, and then the heel. The typical one that people have issues with is the big toe ball mound. So you'll see them start rolling on the edge of the foot. And this is another way that people try to plant weight on this, is to actually crash the knee down and kind of lean their weight into that ball mound. So we want to teach the foot to be able to put weight on all 3 corners without that valgus pattern in the knee, okay? So one way to do this is simply to really challenge a person in keeping the weight down. So we'll put a band under there and just pull. And the goal of the patient in the clinic would be to not let that band release. So in there, and I might lose an eye that way. Okay? So another way you can do that on your own, like at home, would be just to take a coin, right? Take a coin and place it underneath the big toe ball mound, right? And you move around, and just, it gives you some feedback. So if you feel the coin, that means that you're still connecting the big toe ball mound to the ground. Okay? So clinically though, how we challenge this more, right, is we can take a band. These are fancier bands with loops, but we can take a band and place it around the arch. Now with this band, I can start to try to collapse the arch of the patient, okay? So her job would be to attempt to resist this collapse that I'm trying to do. I can be really mean here, right? And I'm trying to pull that arch down, and she can resist that arch. But I don't want her to roll on her foot, right? So I don't want her to lose contact with the big toe ball mound. So I take the other band, or other end of the band, and I put it under the big toe ball mound. Now I can try to collapse her arch, and also I can keep her honest by trying to keep, or forcing her to keep her weight on her big toe ball mound, right? So she's doing a great job here. Active arch, ball mound is grounded, and that's, woo! And that's the first step to building that arch back. So stay tuned for our next video. We're going to talk about the other major reason we're having issues with knee valgus, or knee collapsing, crashing in. And that's going to be up in the hip and talking about the gluteus medius. Thanks for watching.